Today I'll be showing you how to create carousel slides on LinkedIn, turn it into scrollable threads. This is how to do this. Once you're on your LinkedIn, I've already created a PDF version of the carousel. So this is what I'm going to do. So once I click on that, I click on add icon here. I click on this add icon here. Once I click on add icon, I go to the document. Then once I click on go to the document, I'm going to like enter okay, AI. You had a descriptive title, so let's say we had AI is flow. AI is flow. This is just a kind of example of what you'll be doing to do this. So once you have that, you click on your choose file. Once you click on your choose file, you would select the carousel AI tools you need. So we are going to wait for this thing to load here, so you would see how it would appear. So once you do that, you click on next. Once you click on next, it is going to load. You add your caption, you add other details that you would be needing with the document is going to load, and it's going to show how it will display itself here. So before that, let's go to how to turn any image, any carousel into a PDF scrollable thread. So we're going to click on create new thread here. You would use that app, that's image to PDF app. Okay, so now we have our carousel here. We have our carousel in this folder. So we'll be adding this organized format. We'll be adding this in an organized format to make it into different pages. So once we upload it on our LinkedIn, it's going to be like a scrollable kind of pattern. So we'll be adding the first slide, which is this, then the second, the third, and fourth, then the fifth. So once we do that, we will click on next. Once we click on next, we'll click on convert to PDF. So once we click on convert to PDF, we can name this as let's say is flow. Just you can name it something that has that's related to whatever you're posting. So once you have that, you make sure that all these are not marked. You make sure that the orientation is auto, the page size is auto, then you click on mark, then image quality is original, and we'll click on convert. So once it is done converting, it is going to show this. So once we have this, you can see now you can look through your site to check if it is correct. So now it is correct. Then we are done with this. We've created our PDF here. Now we'll go back here. We'll be adding this, so you can see my slide now. You can see this is the one I showed you earlier. You can see how it is displaying in this place here. So you can see the number of pages, you can see the title it gave it. That was the title I gave. So you can add your captions and add whatever you want to add, then you post. So once you post, it is going to appear this way. So let's do this. So I'll just delete it once I'm done. So you can do this. Let's say stop wasting money. We're trying to just stop wasting money. You can add your caption, add your hashtags and the likes as a social media manager now. So once you do that, you click on post. I want you guys to confirm if it is actually going to. So you see it's showing that the post was successfully posted. So once you do that, you can see it is scrollable. It is not like the usual image grid post. So if you were to post it as a regular image, you are going to have this. So you just start selecting random stuff. You just start selecting this. You select. I'm just doing this as an example. So once you start selecting, so you click on done, you click on next. So you see it is going to appear this way. This is not how to post a carousel design or carousel post on your page on LinkedIn, since it's a professional interface. So that's that. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. And our Cohort 2 is happening soon. I want you guys to like anticipate that. So thank you guys. Bye.